How to log in into Sofi Bank account online. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Sofi Bank account login. You will be finding tons of different sites, but head over to the very first site, log into Sofi. Now wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on space. In order to log into your account, all you want to do is enter your email address associated with your Sofi account, and then enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password and then follow the on-screen process. After that, you will be able to recover your password. Once you have recovered, enter it in this section and then tap on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be successfully logged in to your Sofi Bank account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Sofi Bank account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.